Hey guys, Lauren here. Okay, so because Barre has been all the rage, I wanted to be able to give you guys like a few little at-home like sets per se that you can put together and build. So I'll be adding to it each week, and you can certainly stack them or you can do them on your own. On their own, this is a booty sequence. So this is also that like you have access to at your house. I happen to be at a barre studio because it's where I teach, but I'm gonna use the floor. So there's that. So today we are gonna break down 3 booty moves. I'll show you the breakdown of each move, like what the form is, and then I'll give you a sequence that you can actually like do to feel the burn. So both form and workout. Yeah, that's what this is. That's what this is. All right, here we are. Okay, so we're gonna be on all fours, the table position today. When you're here, your hands go underneath your shoulders, knees go underneath your hips. It's as though you are pushing the ground away, but keeping the neck long, right? Okay, so if that's the case, belly has to scoop in, and then anything that we do in terms of lifting the leg one direction or the other, we are gonna keep the core tight. It's actually a heck of a lot of core work for that matter. So from here, the move is a plain lift with a bent knee. So my heel is to my bottom, and then lift the leg up. I'm only going as high as my back can support it, and then go back down. So this would be form-wise the right form. What's gonna be tempting here is you're gonna get tired, and what's gonna want to happen is this, where you just hang on your neck and like your back is swayed and then your wrists hurt and like you complain about your wrists the whole time. So yes, as your wrist develops strength and your core develops strength, you can be on your fist, but for our purposes today, here you are, your belly's in, you're gonna lift and you squeeze at the top of the move. The accent is at the top of the move. So you'll lift and lower, lift and lower. Now, when we get to the little pulses, these little poke situations, this is a connection right to where your hamstrings meet your bottom, right in that little shelf, yes? So think less like bouncing, more actual squeezing when you're here. It's like a contraction. The smaller and tighter, the better. Keep that in mind. Okay, so that's this position. The second one that we're gonna do today is your fire hydrant. Sounds like, as it is. Sure sounds like pretty terrible. So if you're here, leg comes out to the side and right back together. Now, once again, as you're opening, I'm not like hanging, I'm not shifting my weight. I'm only lifting to where I can, and then I'm squeezing back down. So you'll feel this a lot in your obliques as well, on the same leg that's lifting. Pressing into your arms, you lift and lower, okay? So just those 2 basic moves in terms of form. The sequence that I'm gonna zip us through is going to be 8, and I'll write it in, 8 singles, 8 pulses, 8 combination of 1 single with an extra pulse at the top, and then 16 fire hydrants. And if you do that, your booty should be on fire. Yes? Okay, so let's start it. I'm gonna do the other side, because this side hurts, right? All right, so if you're here, you go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, poke the ceiling, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put the 2 moves together. So it's down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. 3 more here. Squeeze a little higher. 2 more. Last one. Now stay down here. 16 fire hydrants plain. Out and together. 2, 3, 4, 5. Lots of oblique work as well, and like shoulders for that matter. We're gonna do 8 more. The temptation is gonna be that you're gonna wanna lean into that opposing hip, so don't do that. 6, 5, 4, 3, and then you get bonus points at the end after this last one if you just hold it up for an extra couple seconds. and lower it down. Okay, so if you're ambitious, double those numbers and then do the other side.